A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE mobile. This is a monthly security patch update. After installing this mobile phone is updated to the October security patch. The size of this update is around 292.41 MB. This update was released in the last week of October. I'm using my mobile after this update so that I can share it with you. Are there any problems that I noticed after installing it? This mobile is currently running on One UI 8 with Android version 16. You can watch the previous video to know more about the major update. I added that at the end screens. I have already started downloading the update and installing it now. The main objective of posting these software update videos, especially for this mobile phone, is to check whether the update is good or not, followed by any problems I noticed after using the mobile phone for 24 hours. This S24 FE is supported for 7 years of major Android and security updates. I try to post these videos as much as I can. Let's see if Samsung holds its promise or not. I successfully updated the mobile phone and used it for more than 48 hours. Coming to the things, after the update, there are no issues I noticed and no data wipe happened. Not only that, no glitches, errors or green line issues either. The mobile got hot during the update process, but after 15 minutes it cooled down and there were no battery drain issues either. I'm getting the same battery backup as before, even the idle drain is the same. That's the new software update details for the Samsung S24 FE. Like this video so that YouTube pushes to many Samsung users. Thanks in advance for doing this and click here to watch the previous major Android update of this S24 FE mobile.